line, the first equation, what's the y-intercept? -3, good. Okay. What's my slope? It is not 1 over 1. It would be -1. So if you don't see a number in front of the x, you can assume it's 1. But this negative meant I have -1. So my slope was -1 over 1. If you don't have a fraction to begin with, you put a 1 under it. So a negative on top tells me I'm going to go down 1. And then positive goes right 1. So down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Or I could switch and go up and left. Up, left, up, left. Now this second line is where it gets confusing. When you have y equals a number, that is a horizontal line that crosses through the y-axis at that number. So y equals -4. I'm going to put a point on the y-axis at -4. And it's just a flat horizontal line. All right. So where do those two lines cross? What point? What? Very close. It would be 1, -4, because that was below the y-axis. That's the point 1, -4. All right, number 10. This first line is x equals 2, not y equals 2. When you have x equals a number, it's a vertical line. So I'm going to put a point on the x-axis at 2. And I'm going to draw a vertical line. Like that. My second line, this is a normal equation. What's the y-intercept? -5. What is my slope? Right. If there's not a number in front of the x, you can assume it's a 1. I did not have a negative, so it's +1 over 1. Which tells me I'm going to go up 1, right 1. And this is the point where they cross. What point is that? It would be 2, -3. It's always, the x is always first. 2, -3.